Take a moment and look around you. Everything you see, your phone, your job, the people in your life, started as nothing but a thought. We've been taught that the world outside is real, and the world inside is just imagination. But what if that's the biggest lie? What if the simplest, most powerful secret of the universe is this? Your mind is not just observing reality, it is actively building it. In the next 10 minutes, we will show you how this one simple idea can completely unlock your future. The core idea. The truth is, your thoughts are not fluffy, silent things. Your thoughts are energy. Just like light and sound, your thinking sends a signal into the universe. We can measure brainwaves. They are electric signals. What you focus on is what your brain is broadcasting. Think of a radio. If you want to hear jazz, you tune to the jazz frequency. If you stay tuned to the static of worry and doubt, that's the reality you receive. The universe doesn't hear what you want. It responds to the frequency of what you are. The greatest breakthrough is accepting this. Your emotional state is your tuning dial. Simple proof. Let's look at simple examples from your life. If you spend all day convinced you will fail that job interview, your mind and body receive the failure program. You subconsciously change your posture, your voice tone, and your energy. You create the failure before you even enter the room. The opposite is also true. Think of a brilliant artist or athlete. Their success isn't just talent, it's a profound, unwavering belief in the result. They operate from the feeling of already being successful. That feeling forces their physical reality, their body, their actions, their opportunities, to match that inner certainty. The world outside you is simply reflecting the silent, unconscious commands you are giving it every day. The first step to transformation. If you accept that your mind affects matter, what is the first step you need to take? It's not about forcing yourself to be happy. It is about choosing your focus. Most people focus on the absence of what they want. I don't have enough money. I can't lose weight. When you focus on the lack, you broadcast the frequency of lack, and the universe delivers more of it. Your assignment for today is simple. Whenever you catch yourself focusing on a problem, immediately shift your attention to the desired result. Don't think about how to get money, think about the feeling of being financially secure. This simple shift in focus is the beginning of the quantum transformation. This practice stops the old programs from running and prepares your mind for the next level of creation. Conclusion. The power to change your life is not outside, in a book or in a guru. It is always within the mind that is observing this video. This is just the start. In our next video, we will dive into the undeniable scientific evidence behind this idea, the observer effect, and reveal exactly how the unconscious mind installs those self-sabotaging programs. If this idea resonated with you, it's time to join the architects of reality. Subscribe to Quantum Transformation so you don't miss the next step in reprogramming your future.